Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Marlene and I do videos and vlogs about luxury fashion, handbags and shoes, and now recently the moving to Paris. So yeah, if that's something you like, please consider subscribing to my channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos, especially not my Paris moving. So the current situation that I told you in the last vlog, a short recap of that is that the moving is a little bit delayed, maximum 14 days. But for now it isn't something that we can do about it, but it is kind of a little bit disappointing. But hopefully we will move very soon. I cannot wait to move to Paris and be there. I really want to move now, but it is a little bit delayed. In the meantime, I think I will take you guys with me to do some things that we don't normally do in Oslo. So hopefully you will enjoy this type of content before the moving. And as it is now, we don't know when we are going to move. It could be next week, it could be in 4 days, it could be in 14 days, we don't know yet. But in the meantime, I will try to make the best out of it and keep you guys entertained with some other type of content. As it is now, we are in Oslo, we are at my in-laws, so that's also a reason why I am a little bit bad at checking in with you guys, but I have made a promise to myself is that I'm going to be a little bit better at checking in with you guys and talking to you guys while I'm vlogging. That's the current situation. It isn't the best situation, but it isn't the worst, because I'm still going to move and it is going to be quite soon. Not as soon as I hoped, but I cannot complain. So today I'm thinking about just editing the vlog. So the first part of the moving vlog will go live the 4th of May. And so when I'm filming this, it is the 3rd of May. So I'm going to edit the vlog, and I am kind of a little bit tired of the moving and the process of packing things and cleaning the apartment and everything in this process. So after the editing, I think I'm going to go to bed early today and just have a self-care day. I don't know. But yeah, I'm not going to do anything big today. Tomorrow I don't know what I'm going to do yet, but probably we will go into the city and maybe stop by Hermes. As I said in the previous vlog, I'm not going to buy anything because I have way too much stuff to move already, so I don't want to buy even more that I'm going to move. So it's just for looking and enjoying some time there. So that's the situation, and I hope you guys will enjoy this either way. And yeah, I will talk to you guys very soon.
Still rough around the edges. I guess that some things never change. Yeah, I know that it's been ages.
Guys, so today I'm going into the city and just going to go to the stores and look a little bit and hopefully go into Hermes. And yeah, my outfit of the day is my other Frankie shop blazer in latte and just a basic tank top. And this day I'm wearing my Air Force Ones and my Birkin 30 in gold, and also my Dior sunglasses. So yeah, let's go into the city. She also wants to come with me, but she can't. Look at her. Hello guys, so today it is the 5th of May, which was the day that I initially should have moved. But as you can probably see, I'm not in Paris, I'm still in Oslo, but today I went to the city again, and also to say goodbye to some of my friends because I'm not going to meet them before I'm going to move. We have gotten some news about the apartment, and it seems like we are going to move in next weekend, and I'm crossing my fingers and toes and everything that I have that we are going to move in next weekend. Today I went to Hermes and also Chanel Beauty for once, and also Dior Beauty, but I didn't end up buying something at Dior Beauty, and I didn't buy anything at Hermes, but I have gotten some things that I wanted to show you guys because I know that you guys really enjoy seeing what I got. So the first thing that I got is something that I have asked for many times, and this is the Hermes knotting cards, because I have bought a silk scarf but I don't know how I should tie it. So these are knotting cards, and yeah, I haven't opened them yet, so I will do that later. But this is very practical because then I have a variety of different knots that I'm going to tie my scarf in. And I also got something that I didn't think that they made, and this is the new fragrance from Hermes, and this is the Onshada Syntere, I think it is pronounced. But this is actually the shower gel, and this is 40 milliliters, which is very generous. I didn't think that they made samples of the shower gel, but certainly they do. And I also got a perfume, which is also very nice. This is the Ambre Narigule, I think it is. Here is the bottle. It is very cute. And this is 7.5 milliliters, which is also very generous. And the one thing that I actually bought today is the Cocoa Balm. I have the Cocoa Balm in the natural charm color from before, and I love it so much because it isn't a typical lipstick, but it is a little bit lighter. And of course I did get it in the trending shade, which is Pink Delight, and so I had to try it. And here is the lipstick. Here you can see how it looks. This one is a little bit more pink than the one that I have from before, and let's put it on. I can immediately say that I really love the color. I don't know if it shows, but it is very hard lighting here in the car. But I'm very happy with my purchase, and I really love the color. So that was the things that I got in the city today. And as I have told you guys, I'm currently on Ban Island, so therefore I didn't buy anything. But they had so many things that I did want to buy, but because of the moving, I'm limiting myself to only a few things and small things. So hopefully when I'm getting to Paris, I will make up for that and buy a little bit more. But yeah, so that was my day. Now I'm going to my in-laws and we are going to eat some homemade pizza. And yeah, that was the day, and I just wanted to check in with you guys and tell you guys what's happening, because I know that you guys are very excited about things that's going to happen. But for now it is starting to look a little bit more real, because now I have gotten some indications that the apartment is going to be ready within a week instead of 2 weeks, so that's very good news. I was kind of hoping that I could move tomorrow already, but we got a no 4 o'clock today because they had a time limit to tell us if we could move in this weekend, but we couldn't. So yeah, that's the situation, and yeah, I will talk to you guys very soon. Hello guys, so today it is Saturday. We have just come back from the city and we ended up buying some things from Dior, and so I was thinking that I'm going to show you guys what I bought from Dior. So the first thing that we bought is this Dior Solar. This is the Dior sunscreen, and this has SPF 30, which is very good now. And today it is a very sunny day, so it is actually needed today here in Norway. And this I think it is reformulated or something like that, or they have at least changed the design. So here you can see how it looks. And this is actually the milk, so it is a spray. It's very good and it smells very nice. So that was the first thing that we bought. And the second thing that we bought is this Bois d'Argent soap. This is both a soap for body, but you can also use it as a hand soap, and that's one of my favorite scents from Dior. So here you can see how it looks. It is very stylish and cool, and it smells amazing. And of course I got some freebies. I got mousse, and I also got one cream. So that was the things that we actually bought today, and we went into Hermes and also Chanel, but I didn't film anything of that because I didn't feel for it, so sorry for that. But we had a nice time in the city today, and today we are going to grill, so we are just going to chill for the rest of the day, and I'm thinking about editing the video for tomorrow, so it will go live in the right time tomorrow. So that was the things that we have done today. I tried some shoes at Chanel. I tried the ballet flats, but I think it isn't my style. I think they look a little bit too feminine or too ladylike for me, so therefore I didn't like them, and I have tried them several times before. But yeah, that was the things that I tried on. And today I'm wearing a basic white shirt and also my Louis tank top and my Dior Avenue pants. And also I used my Birkin 30 in Beton today for a change. By the way, I'm wearing my new Chanel lipstick now, and I really like it. It is a little bit more pink than the other one that is my favorite, but I really like it. I think it looks so good and natural, and it feels so good to have it on your lips. You don't get dry, you don't get anything that I feel when you are wearing lipstick, because often I tend to not use lipsticks because I feel that you have them on your lips, but this one feels like just a lip balm with some color, so it's very good. And also I have tried some new products today. I have tried the Water Chanel bronzer and also the blush, but I also tried the foundation, and I have to say that I really like it. Now I look a little bit orange because of the lighting, but I promise that I don't look orange in real life. But yeah, today I went for a very natural makeup look. I leave all these links below so you can check them out as well, and also the products that I bought from Dior. And so if you want to check them out, I will leave all the links below, and also the things that I'm wearing. If you are wondering, I'm also going to leave that below. So yeah, I will talk to you guys soon. And I also wore my orange sandals for the first time this year today. And yeah, and here is the outfit of today. Louis tank top, just a basic white shirt, my Beton Birkin, my Celine Triumph sunglasses, and Dior Avenue pants, orange sandals, and there is the dog. She's so cute. She loves the sun.
It's funny how easily a life can be torn apart. Why couldn't I simply see that I was sick at heart and I am in deep debt? The climb we did was unreal. You made me so speechless. I just can't believe it.
Hello guys, so today it is Friday and we are leaving for Paris tomorrow, and it has been quite some time since I last talked to you guys, and you can probably hear by my voice that I am sick still, but I have been laying in bed since Sunday, but now I'm feeling a little bit better. But the other days I have been so sick and I haven't had any chance to talk to you guys because I was so bad. So hopefully tomorrow I'm going to get better. So as you probably have noticed, I'm going to move tomorrow. We have a flight at 8 tomorrow morning, so it's going to be a short night. Hopefully we are going to go to bed in the right time so I get my sleep. But we need to be at the airport, I think, around 6, so it's going to be quite early. So today we are going to pack, and yeah, I think that's it. We are probably going to the grocery store because there are some items that I want to take with me to Paris from Norway that they only have in Norway, and I think that is the only thing that we are going to do today. I don't want to push myself too hard so I get sick again. I'm so excited to move. It is a very nice apartment, but I also applied for an Hermes appointment for tomorrow. Hopefully I will get it, but I don't have any hopes for that. And again, sorry for the voice. I kind of sounds very strange, but yeah. That was the check-in for today. I think I'm going to take you guys with me when I'm going grocery shopping, just so you guys can see what are the things that I want to take with me from Norway and our specialties that I want to take with me, because I know that many of you guys aren't Norwegian, so I think it is quite interesting to see what's typical Norwegian that I like. And yeah, so for the packing, I think we are only going to have 6 suitcases with us, 2 cabin suitcases that I'm going to bring my bags in, and 4 check-in luggages that we are going to have the rest of our things in. So that's the situation, and yeah, I will talk to you guys very soon, hopefully. Bye. And here is our mess. Now we have been to the store and bought some Norwegian typical things, and yeah, I think I should leave you guys here, and tomorrow I'm going to Paris. Thank you so much for watching this vlog, and I cannot wait to be in Paris again, and yeah, see you guys very soon.